Federal Judge Horace Ward was his high school valedictorian, graduated with honors from Morehouse College in Atlanta in only 3 years, and earned a master's degree from Atlanta University. But when he applied to the University of Georgia's law school in 1951, he was reflexively rejected because of his race, his qualifications notwithstanding. Judge Ward practiced law in Atlanta from 1960 to 1974. He was a deputy city attorney of Atlanta from 1969 to 1970, an assistant county attorney for Fulton County from 1970 to 1974, a member of the Georgia State Senate from 1965 to 1974. He was a Fulton County Civil Court judge from 1974 to 77, and a judge to the Superior Court of Georgia from 1977 to 1979. He was the first black to serve on the federal bench in Georgia in 1979, appointed by President Jimmy Carter.
We served in the Georgia State Senate together, and later on appointed me to the United States District Court. So thank you, Mr. President.
The credit doesn't go to me, it goes to the performance of the people that I was honored to appoint to serve our nation and these high positions of personifying and establishing in fact the high ideals on which our nation was founded.
There is an old saying that in order to climb the ladder, you have to make sure it's leaning against the right wall. Those of us who came after Judge Ward, and those of us who have been very successful, have been successful in a large measure because Judge Ward had the wisdom and the foresight to lean the ladder against the right wall. And all we had to do was climb the ladder that he had placed there for us.
Pioneer, trailblazer, mentor, teacher, friend. Just a few words to describe Senior Judge Horace T. Ward. From humble beginnings in LaGrange, Georgia, Judge Ward has risen to one of the highest levels in the judiciary, that of a federal judge.
The background for a judge is to have a good legal education and have sufficient practice in the law so that you will be ring-worthy and understand the law and things of that nature. However, I initially practiced law here in Atlanta, and I practiced law I went in with Donald Hollowell, an outstanding civil rights lawyer, and we formed a law firm under the name of Hollowell, Ward, Moore, and Alexander. And that gave me a background in the law. We had a statewide law practice, part of which had us handling a significant number of civil rights cases.
Judge Ward was the first African-American judge to sit on the state court, the Superior Court, and the federal bench here in Georgia. He has truly set the example.
Had Judge Ward not waged the fight he waged, it would have been much later that I would have been able to attend the University of Georgia. And I think when you look at someone of Judge Ward's stature, you realize what a magnificent trailblazer he has been.
Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. once said that the road to justice is now a highway because of lawyers who have struggled to make it so. Judge Ward is truly one who has made the road to justice a highway.
I like to think that, as Benjamin Elijah Mays said, there are 3 roads that one can take. You can take the high road, the low road, the middle road, or the low road. So I have sought in my short endeavor on this earth to take the high road. Thank you very kindly.
Ladies and gentlemen, we salute the Honorable Horace T. Ward.